You are going to love the 2013 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, fog lights, power brakes, heated steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.